What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're doing volatility indices analysis. I'm going to show you guys the results of what happened in the previous analysis that we did together on Wednesday. So stay tuned. And if you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. Right, and you also want to join our community, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram to get live updates on what's happening at ATG. So let's jump into today's business. But before we do that, comment down below if you want to stand a chance to get free VIP access to my signals group. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the loss that we had this week, which was the V100 miss. So I had predicted that we're going to have some strong resistance here and price was going to fall to retest this level, but unfortunately there was a breakout on our resistance zone. But that is not a problem because now we know where the price is going, and from our trend line we can actually tell that the next price target is this level, right? So that was it for V100. We learned a lot. I learned that price had already retested this point, so the only way it was now supposed to go is going up, right? So that was a complete miss for V100. But let's take a look to what's interesting this week, which is the other 3 wins that we had this past week, right? We had 1 loss for volatility indices with 3 straight wins, which gives us an accuracy rate of 75%, which is great. You only need 30% to be a successful trader if you're using the correct risk reward ratios, right? And we were almost 3 times that. So let's take a look firstly on V75, which we totally crashed. I predicted that we're going to reach this zone, and price clearly touched that take profit level and then made a nice U-turn after that. But this was a complete win for us, which was a sell on V75. Probably started it off somewhere here and then it dropped all the way down. This is over more than 3 days of being in profit. So now let's take a look at where is it going. So already I can see that we had a bounce on this resistance zone, on this support zone, sorry, and then now we are currently playing on the support on the resistance zone actually. And the question now is, are we going to break this resistance zone, or we're going to respect it and keep going down? The answer to that, you'll find it in my Telegram channel, which you are going to join. The link is in the description box, and I'll post the full out analysis for that. Okay, let's take a look at the second win that we had this week, which was the V75 win, which is a buy trade that said you should execute, and from this point all the way up to this level. So currently you are still in profit, and currently everyone should be making money out of this trade, right? Everyone should be making money out of this trade. It's been how many days? Almost 7 days now. Clearly predicted that we're going to be entering a buy trade, and then it's going to take us up to our take profit levels. So this analysis still holds for this 51s. I can clearly see that there was another low set here, which means you can actually add more positions to your trade, and so that you probably yield more results because another low has been set. And as you can see, we've been setting higher lows as we are progressing upwards. I still think there's room and more potential for it to shoot up, but this is just what happened in the previous week we have been in. We can also take a look at step index, which was our 3rd win and which is a win currently. So for step index, we predicted that we're going to be going up. As you can see, we are bullish, and from the point we started off, even if we're still in the trade right now, we are still profitable, and we haven't reached our specific levels, which means there's still room for us to keep going up. Okay, so which means there's still room for us to keep going up with step index in the daily time frame. Okay, so looking back to some of our trades right here, I just want to make maybe some short analysis for people that really do not understand what will be happening. So currently we're in this channel from the daily time frame, right? But as you can see, within this channel from the daily time frame, there are also smaller channels. This is the 1 hour time frame. There are also smaller channels that one can actually follow. We have one here. So I'm just going to point them out. These small channels. Did we have another one here? Okay, maybe the 1 hour time frame is creating another channel. Okay. Yes, the 1 minute time frame, the 1 hour time frame is creating another channel. So we're probably going to see our third position somewhere up there. But because this is a weekly analysis, I like to take these trend lines from higher time frame so that you guys get ample time to get in the market, to get hold of the trades we are about to take. So probably this is the 4 hour time frame. And as you can see, for those that have turned on the notification bell, you can actually enter this trade and go all the way up there before and actually get the opportunity to enter into this trade. Okay, but at this point, I'm also seeing that um, the resistance zone has been broken, which means this is a high probability trade for us to keep going down, for us to keep going up to these levels, right? And from these levels, we can later on probably anticipate the pullbacks or the change, the reversal in the upward trend that we're experiencing. This one, from the mistakes that I saw, is I decided to take a sell trade when we were in an uptrend. This channel was clearly pointing up and it was clearly showing me that I'm in an uptrend, but I had an oversight of that, and that led me to go against the trend, which is a bad decision and a bad analysis. As you can see, it paid me small, so probably when I entered, I was thinking I was right, but then these were small wins compared to what was actually going to happen. So this is the advantage of trading in higher time frames. You actually get to trade in line with the trend, and you are actually paid more. Your wins will run for longer, and you will be able to cut your losses early. So this was the mistake that we made for 300, and I just wanted to give a lesson on that so that people actually know why we lost that trade. Otherwise, the other three were fantastic and they were complete wins. We're still holding some of the trades, but uh, uh, we're still holding some of the trades, but overall, we're still in profit, and one can actually exit some of these positions and wait for fresh ones. I know there are traders that do not like holding this much low. For V75, join my Telegram channel. You get the analysis of what's going to happen next. Until next time, peace.